Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. There are two big things we have to talk about today, but before that, please make sure to comment, hit that like button, and if you guys can, watch the entire video to show the algorithm you guys exist and I exist. Thanks. Now, as far as Bitcoin's concerned, we blew past the resistance last night and we've been looking at some very nice numbers since then. At this point in time, Bitcoin is sitting at 53,384 after breaking out. This was a very abnormal looking chart. Whales came in to boost us up, and I'm okay with that. I was wrong about us going down to maybe 48,500 or level or so. It looks like whales came in and just pop goes the pop, we went boom, and that's been a very good thing. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I missed out on buying Bitcoin, but I'm not missing out on buying the altcoins. There are altcoins out there that are still doing well, like the AI tokens and stuff like that. I'm still doing some day trades, but there are other tokens out there at this point in time, and I'll put a list so you guys can see them here pretty soon. But going forward, Bitcoin is still continuing this breakout. So unless something drastic happens over the next few days, we should be trying to tackle 55,000, which is going to be a huge level of resistance. But based on what I just saw, we should be able to break it. And then after that, we're probably going to go up top around $60,000 and then go into a longer consolidation again, in which case we'll have another debate whether we're going to be going down for a little bit or actually just going to be blasting right through that level of resistance as well. The other news here, which I think is actually even more important than Bitcoin breaking out, is around this exchange that I haven't really heard of before, but it seems like it's having some issues. So it's called Bitforex, and their website goes dark amid a report of $57 million of outflow. This is a whole exchange that just went down, apparently. I'm not entirely sure what is going on. I will give you guys more updates as I know, but just understand, you know, this is not a good thing to be having during a bull market rally. I don't think exchanges should be going down in a bull market. If something like this does happen, I don't think it's because of something with, you know, inflows or outflows and things like that. I think that something is like legitimately like illegal going on with this exchange, and we'll have to wait for the legal authorities to get involved here, because it does say users trying to access the website are met with a page that says, sorry, you have been blocked. So if you guys go to the web page, you guys can't see anything. No exchange, no data, no wallets, no nothing. So it's pretty bad. And then it also says last year Bitforex was flagged by Japanese regulators for operating without a license. So they have been doing some murky stuff here. That's why it's always important to go check out the front page of any exchange that you guys use, and they should have a couple licenses right there, one from the United States, maybe one from Canada usually, and that gives you a good gist. They've been kind of vetted, they know what they're doing, and they're being watched by the government. So if anything bad happens, the government will actually know. It's a lot harder to actually be inside the United States than it used to be, which is why you guys have seen even some of the larger exchanges like KuCoin that don't want to play by those rules kicked out of the United States. So again, kind of a wild day here. We got the ups of the market and then downs for just these people on this exchange, but just be careful out there. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. There's a reason why a lot of people just buy crypto and put it into cold storage, and they don't mess with trading on exchanges all too much. I understand it. I have long form portfolios on both of them, but I have to say, the cold storage is always going to be the safest. Thanks, everybody.